Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. As you all know, I'm the Blaze Way. I post money making updates on this platform and tips on how to make money online, and they are all for free. All my updates are absolutely free updates. You don't need to pay a single dime to earn from them. Mostly on Airdrop. So today we'll be talking about Airdrop, just like this one on our screen right now. Okay, this is actually the one we'll be talking about. Just these airdrops. The one thing I like about these airdrops is that they are, even without them listing, they allow you to withdraw from them. Yes. Examples of this kind of airdrop are like Gcoin. I did a video on Gcoin earlier. So if you are watching this right now, if you look at the top of my screen, you'll see a video I made on Gcoin. Gcoin is also an airdrop that it has not yet been listed, but on their white paper, they are planning on listing on 2026, but on their white paper actually. But you can also place withdrawal on their platform, on their airdrop line. You can convert it to USDT. If you don't wait for them to list, and also place withdrawal, and to arrive in minutes. It does not take time to arrive. So unlike just like that Gcoin. So also make sure to check out that Gcoin. Just like that Gcoin actually, that's how just this platform is right now. As you can see right here, this is an airdrop platform. So you can either decide to keep their airdrop, or you can decide to withdraw it and cash it out to your Nigeria bank account or to any bank account of your choice from any country of your choice. That just absolutely has this platform, and it is absolutely free. You won't be paying a single dime, but it is your choice to make sure if you want to make payment or not. But from my own experience, I haven't paid a single dime. And although there is a payment available option where you can pay to get more miners on this platform, but it is your choice whether to pay. But I have been able to successfully earn on this platform and withdraw without paying a single dime. Actually, this is just a day ago, so I can assure you, within a day you can earn and be able to withdraw. It does not have any. What I love about this platform, it does not have any minimum threshold. That means the little you mine, you can make withdrawal of that little. So it does not have any minimum or any maximum. So right now, this Rolex coin right here that have been set to list it has already been listed. It has been listed on Solana. As you can see right here on my screen, it has been listed on Solana. So you can make your withdrawal to your NC wallet or your Solana wallet. So this Rolex coin right here has been listed to your Solana, and your NC wallet. So you can either make withdrawal through your Solana. You can either make withdrawal through your Solana, which is this, or your NC wallet, which is this. Either of these two, the one that you like, you can make withdrawal through it. You can see, right here, they said, as you can see right here, they said instantly you will receive your money without any fee. So they don't charge any fee on this platform. So when you withdraw your money, you can either convert it to USDT and make withdrawal from this platform. Now this money takes over 3 hours for you to mine. So you come back to this platform, mine every 3 hours. That's just how you mine on this platform. So you mine every 3 hours, every 3 hours. So mine is just 11 minutes remaining, and I'll come back to this platform and click on mine again. This is where it shows speed up. So that's why you click on claim it, and when you are done claiming it, you start mining one more. So if you're interested in, let's say you are interested in speeding up, or you are instead of making payment online to buy more miners, all you have to do is click on speed up, and to take you to the interface will pop up where you have to pay for miners actually. So let me just show you guys. So this is how much you'll be paying for the mining you want to do. So this is just how it is. Select the month and this here and pay. But like I said earlier, okay, I think I've not said it. I'm not a financial advisor. So this video is based on my own experience on this platform, how I have used this platform to make money online, and I have not made any deposit on this platform. So you can also make sure you can also go ahead and try it out, but make sure to do your diligent investigation about this platform. But because this is my review about this platform, on how I made money on this platform, how I've been able to withdraw my money on this platform. That's the review of this is the review video I am dropping here today. So also make sure to do your own investigation about this platform. And have you been using this platform before? So if you have been using this platform before, what are your experience? Make sure to drop them down in the comment section below. So I think that's all about this platform. Also, there's also more ways you can earn on this platform. You can also earn through referral. Yes, you can also earn through referral. Now you get 15. Yes, you get 10% of everything, every mining your, yeah. You get 15% bonus of your referral earning for each money your referral does. That's just how you earn. That's also how you earn on this platform. You can also earn through referral. You can also earn through mining. So that's all about this mining platform. So make sure to do your diligent research and make sure to join this platform and start bagging. Gotten to the end of this video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I'll be dropping a new video later on a new mining project that is set to be listing next year, but they have a P2P market where you can cash out your earning. This platform is you can easily I'm assuring you that from when you are watching this video from now to December, that's a 2 month interval, you can go to earn over 1 million from this platform, because I have witnessed it. Yes, I have witnessed it. So I'll be sharing my experience on that platform also on this my channel. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also make sure to check out the video, and also make sure to check out Gcoin. Actually, Gcoin, you can earn massively from Gcoin. So if it starts now, so Gcoin is also set to be listing next year, that's 2027. So make sure to check out Gcoin out. But you can also earn and withdraw your earnings if you don't want to wait till the listing date. You can also earn and withdraw your earnings from this platform.